Miniature display easel tutorial. Take 7 ice cream wooden sticks. If you don't have ice cream wooden sticks, then you can also cut cardboard into rectangular shape and use it. Apply glue on 3 sticks. Now stick ice cream sticks together, leaving one. Take 2 ice cream sticks. Paste the ice cream sticks together and wait for the glue to dry. Take a mini canvas. To watch the tutorial of this channel, click on the I button on the top. Keep the canvas board on the easel. Place one ice cream stick below the canvas board. Place one ice cream stick above the canvas board. Cut the sticks from the corners. Wait for the glue to dry. Paste one ice cream stick for easel support. Please note that since this is just a display easel, showpiece only, it will not move and is not to be used as an actual easel. Final look of the easel as a showpiece. If you like the video, so please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.